Hey guys, how you doing? We're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are going to be looking at June 2025 Patreon Part 4. We'll looking at D&D, Warhammer Proxies, and figures. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Although the Patreon we'll be looking at, the links will be down below for you guys as well. So Miles Studio is a figure of anime and a dual stu video game. We got Etta, this one, Etta from Shadow Guardian, Garden, I believe. Man, I love figures. They have a whole bunch of different type of figure. You got Ellen Joel wearing lingerie. If it loads, probably won't. But yeah, term 43. I think we're in term 44. So yeah, you got like a whole bunch of figurines and stuff for like D&D and stuff. If you do like anime, RPG, and so forth as well. This is term 45 for the winners and so forth. So there's going to be a lot of figures for this. STL Project is another figure. They do a lot of video games, anime, and other stuff as well. Uh, I think I might have to get back to this one. There we go. STL Project. So we got Lois Lane as Super Woman, I believe it's called. We got Trish as well. They'll have a whole bunch of it. I don't know if they have what they're doing. That's May. So Trish, Macaulay, The Keeper, The Art of Clown. So the May, June hasn't come, but you get some previous stuff as well if you do enjoy that. Peach figure, another anime figure. They also do video games as well. So we got Zelda that's coming out on 10th for it. We got Lou for Sakamoto Days. We also have this one as well, Freya. I wonder if they have. Well, that's May release. This is July. July. Let's see if you can find June release is going to be. There you go. This is the June one. So we're going to have Ara, Lucy, Zelda, and Lou for June for the figures that'll be coming out for this month. Bulkmaster Sculpt, another figure as well. So we got, I think her name is, no, that's not Trish. I forgot her name. It is Makoto, I believe. I don't know. It's from Devil May Cry. I think this is from Split, and this one's from Hades. You get the pass last month. You get bonuses as well, and you get another reveal figure later on throughout this month for it. Then 3D, another figure one as well for this month. This was supposed to be May. We got stockings, Felicia, the rabbit girl from My Hero Academia, and Riku for it, and it's your welcome pack as well. So if you do enjoy figures for video game and anime, check them out as well. Uh, Pegusta 3D figure, another figurine. I am waiting for Andrea. I am from Diablo 2, so I'm actually gonna print that for my game. We got Mary Jane Venomized. We also got White Rabbit from Trick or Treat. That's got cross promotion. VT Digital Sculpt Hope Summer for the cross promotion as well. So we got June Girls Nude version. This is I think Amy Lee Curtis, True Lies, and Padme, and Android 18 for it. Remoto, they should have stuff. I know they've been very lax. This is what they're going to be coming out for this following month. They've been dealing with other situations, and I hope that everything's fine with them over there. So they are going to be releasing a lot of these guys out very soon. Yuko Studio. This is one for May. This is from oh, I forgot this anime. Oh shoot, yeah, I forgot. I forgot the name of what's from. It's Yama Twins. I probably can find it down here if they have it. Nope. Nope. Oh well. But they'll have more stuff coming out. They also got to do June one as well. June 30, we'll get Spike Sidja from Cowboy Bebop. July, Yuhano Yojinho for Soul Leveling, and a whole bunch of stuff as well that's still being decided. Uh, there's a lot of catch up with a lot of these Patreons. I hope everything is doing okay. Yuko Paulula is another figure one as well. We got Wafu. I don't know where this is from. So yeah, letter cat tiger folk figure for this will be June's month for figures. Heard they're remaking redoing Soul Eater animation, and they're actually going by the manga. May has been done. Important announcement on new coming Patreons. I would like thank you. I will also question, yep. For example, getting paid to map out, edit, summary, question, message. Okay. I don't know what's going to be this month then. Um, Trick or Treat. That was last month. This is this month. We got looks like console cross platformation. We got Shiha and Bewitched. That's going to be made into a figure. Lion Roam Studio. We got Tusk. I'm still waiting on, but we got this too. We get the previous end this month. We get Tank, Minato, and Hasoka Soka for this coming month. So hopefully everything's good. I don't see a Tusk for June video, so hasn't fully finished it yet. Pink Studio, another figure one as well. For this, we don't have anything for June yet. Looks like it. June decided. So it is Saki Meti. I'm freaking butchering all these damn names. Munchkin, another figure one as well. For July is Alice Clover from Clover T. Alice Clover. This is the what you call it? The anime. I am a receptionist, but I have to like do like go out dungeoning with a side job. So yeah, so there's smaller biddies than that. This was May. The Pinky Studio, another figure one as well. That's for July. July. That's July. I think we're getting to it. So this is 31st from Hololive. He's doing a lot of Hololive figures for it. Panty released. June artist. So 190, 150, 165. Don Goth. So you're gonna get Don Goth, looks like it, and probably Yaha from Unicorn Overlord Sorcerer. No, we got Danha and 55 is the biggest one. Alicia, this. Oh, from Archive. So yeah, it's kind of hard because they don't really say where's the winner. We just gotta freaking do which one has the highest number for it. Kara figure, another figure one as well. This is a current project. This is the recent one they're doing. We got Emma Frost. I don't know who that girl is or that girl. Koru rendering. It's really good. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to do so. Or I think that's paint. I thought those were holes. I'm like, that's gonna be a pain in the ass to freaking like paint. If there were actual holes in it, that's gonna be a lot of supports you're gonna have to freaking remove in many ways. This is gonna be the last one. Jiggly Sticks creation. It's kind of like D&D slash figure. So you got promo from Lavender. This is another Patreon we'll be looking at pretty soon. June release. The Dark Elf from the anime, I think it was the weight loss anime. I watched it. It was just too much nudity. I didn't really finish it at all. It was kind of really bad. More like fan service. Office Goblets bundle, 32, and you get 75 millimeter sets. If you do like, modern or so forth of it as well. Anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day.